What's up, everyone? Today we are reviewing these shorts. Don't try that at home. So, these shorts are by COOFANDY. Look at the blue. I love the blue on the inside. Fun fact, I've seen people do this. Now, wearing it inside out, it's not my style. So we'll be doing it how you're supposed to wear them. But let's see if they're true to size. Oh, they're nice. So that blue inner layer, as you can see here, works as kind of like boxers, really. You can put your phone right in here as well. So there is a pocket built inside, right underneath your shorts. Drawstrings, very long, so if you want to cut them, you can. If you need to tie multiple knots to make them really tight. If you don't need them at all, just tuck them inside, no problem, because they are elastic, so your shorts do stay up even without making them tight, depending on your body. All right, ooh, let's go. So zipper pocket, very important. Zippered left pocket, so zipper right pocket, zipper left pocket. Velcro pocket on the back. Yeah, I like these. They're nice. Good for swimming, exercising. Very nice, guys. True to size. Can't complain. COOFANDY is always here to save the day.